Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Deepali Yevle, Assistant Professor ENTC Department, AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology. My today's session is on hands-on on Microwin software. We will use the Microwin software for the design of our 2:1 mux using transmission gate. So this is the GUI of our Microwin version 3. We will be requiring two transmission gate for the design of 2:1 mux. Transmission gate is nothing but back-to-back connection of the PMOS and NMOS. So for one transmission gate we will require one PMOS and one NMOS. So first we will select PMOS, adjust the width and length of the PMOS. Here is our PMOS. Next we will be requiring NMOS. So here is our NMOS. Now first we will connect one PMOS with another NMOS to create the transmission gate, and we will just copy and paste for second transmission gate. So just I will stretch this NMOS to align this. Now we have one PMOS and one NMOS. Use metal 1 for back-to-back connection of PMOS with NMOS. So now this is our one transmission gate. Just copy this and make a copy of this. I will just go down, and here the second transmission gate. So if I zoom in, I will be able to see two transmission gate. So these are two transmission gates. Now for connection of one transmission gate with the second transmission gate for 2:1 mux design, we will use this metal and also gate to gate connection will be required. I will just delete this. Use polysilicon. Now I am done with my all the connections. Next turn is to provide different inputs and to see the output of the 2:1 mux. So one input, first provide VDD to all the P well, to all the N well. So this is VDD provided to N well of the P MOSFET. Then D0 and T1 inputs. So here input will be D0. You can change time low and time high as per your choice. Now D1 input. We can select any time low and time high. Now remaining is selection line combination S0 and S bar, or S0 and S0 bar. this is my S. Now here I have to provide inversion of S. So for that I will just make here inversion of last clock, so that I will get S bar. Now I don't want this S bar into simulation, so not visible in simulation, assign. Another last input remaining is again S should be provided here, so same name S I will give. I have to recall the time period for previous S, and again this S I don't want to see in simulation, so assign. Now the last is nothing but output. So here I want to see my output. Assign. Now I am done with all the connections. I will go for simulation. Now in simulation, this is my D1, this is my D0, and this is my S, and this is my S bar. Now when S is equal to 0, my output will be D0, and my S is equal to 1, my output will be D1. So when S is equal to 0, output will be D0, and when S is equal to 1, my output will be D1. So this is nothing but 2:1 mux using transmission gate.